question last week you sing about a healthy sex. Na ene me pia bonten so mama ne afoforo ba betwetwe nkomo na ye take view of the question or of the topic we tackled, which is last week. Me patcho your friend lady titi na so
Victoria
then
Victoria Yeboa.
Okay, me aminim say we ye adwuma wa has as what?
As shop attendants.
Okay, shop attendants. Okay, what kind of shop attendants? That doesn't stop you for being a romantic shop attendant, right? Not just say you believe in marriage, right?
Yes.
And you believe in sex.
Yes.
And with the sex, do you believe that in Katangudi you have it with partners or your husbands, and then a build a healthy relationship and marriage? Do you believe in that?
Yes, I believe it.
Why?
Because in say like relationship and I say marriage and you and your partner there you have to like have sex or something, then it will build a relationship. Because say when you partner and I say baby like one man in their air say oh here obetuma call outside and I say baby I bet my baby a fan.
Okay. And it's a woman or partner hot sex. Is it necessary for you as a lady to show appreciation by saying thank you, Anna?
Oh no,
I didn't hear.
Because for my media or very man, okay, that time maybe obere man here sex no inti say obere man like onya dia opewia e say ono show appreciation to the lady, say oh me yere and I say me girl dey me da wase dia wa ya ma me feel okay me okay
na say mema no omo no mo ye adwuma ni nyina oba be roro ho suso mu sebi aleke o na ori power we ye so wo no nda wase. You have to say thank you, and still you're against the motion.
Oh, for the lady you can say thank you, but
you there you not say thank you.
I won't say thank you because very man me na like mbabe yama like ni hu asane no bibia say nya media obere and so on to be here ana say man fa man obetuma ko outside into ye we no say oh baby me that's why my okay
Okay, what's the name your friend then?
Victoria Yeboa.
Okay, so according to Victoria Yeboa no or say or no with her no send a partner they show you appreciation by saying thank you because no here a beggar has no choice. In the man, you should say thank you. Yeah, the best thing Madam was saying.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.